To archive your LEAP matter, in the top right, select the ellipsis and select Archive Management. Review general items such as tasks and searches incomplete, and trust payments if they are unreconciled. If you are keeping a physical file, record the file location, box number, archive by and date of destruction, and save. On the right-hand side, review any accounting balances. This points as a reminder to address any accounting balances before you archive the matter. If there are outstanding accounting balances and you do click Archive in the bottom right, you will receive a prompt to check if you are sure you wish to archive, as the matter has outstanding items associated to it. So you can cancel and review or proceed with archiving. Record the archive number. This can be set to an automatic number. And select Archive in the bottom right. You'll be notified that the matter was successfully archived, and the matter status also changes to archived.